Okay, we've got a iPhone 13 that's come in with a cracked screen. You can't really see it there. But basically what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and swap the screen over so we don't get an annoying error message. So as you can see, no error message at the moment. Can't really see that crack there in the corner, can you? But anyway, let's see what we can do. So on the customer's original cracked screen, I'm going to take that chip off and put it on the new screen.
Forgiving eyes looking back at me from the other side, like you understood me, and I'm never letting you go. Y me cansé de luchar y de guerrear en vano, de estar en la línea de fuego y de meter la mano. Acepto mis errores, también soy humano, y tú no ves que lo hago porque te amo.
Okay, so now with that chip transplanted onto the new screen, let's have a look. And as you can see in settings, no error message. Very cool.